In front of me is Vivo Y95 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to tap on face and password. Then tap on face section and enter your current login method. Following that, hit add a face, hit OK in disclaimer pop-up. Follow all of the instructions from your screen, keep your face in frame and wait for 100% mark. Then select OK and go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!